What's going on? Today I'm going to be going over these. They're the Status Audio CB-1 headphones. Let's get into it. First, I'm just going to show a quick unboxing of them. Packaging is pretty nice. It's got this shrink wrap on it, and then the box itself is fairly premium feeling. It was actually kind of hard to get the top cover of the box off. But at least that means they're not going to fall out or anything. There are the headphones themselves. They're actually twisty tied onto this cardboard. They're an all plastic construction with the exception of the fake leather parts. Most of the plastic feels high quality, except for the inner part that extends the length. Feels pretty cheap and is a little worrying. It comes with two cables. One is really long, straight one, and the other one is a coiled cable. It makes it feel shorter, but it still gives you plenty of length. And the cable plugs into the headset here. This piece right here is the one that creaks. So hopefully the plastic is good enough for it to not break over time. In my opinion, they're a really nice looking pair of headphones. So the CB-1s are a closed back headphone with 50mm drivers. I don't have a lot of experience with high-end headphones, so I might not be the best judge, but to me, when listening to music, they have a more full sound and much better bass when comparing them to my Astro A10s. That's really the only other headset that I have to compare them to, and overall in sound quality, it's much better. They work really well for gaming too. I tested 2 games so far with them, Valorant and Battlefield 5. In Valorant, it was easier to hear footsteps and tell where the enemy was coming from, making it easier to find them and get kills.
The hunt begins.
Spike planted.
Not there.
Stealing sight.
One enemy remaining.
For Battlefield, it just made the game feel more alive, and the gunshots and explosions more realistic sounding, just making for a better overall gaming experience. Ouch. Whoa, 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 don't shoot me through the wall. Oh my god, this is... Don't hurt me, grenade. Oh, it didn't hurt me somehow.
Wait, are there people at B again?
I don't know, I'm on A.
Oh, must have killed them. There what? We went and recaptured B before we started leaving. We started getting captured again.
There's so much smoke here, I don't know what's happening. Just shooting. I got 2 kills.
Okay, so
Not only do they sound better than the A10s, they actually are much more comfortable. They're very light, which probably is because of the not so great plastic used in it. They have plenty of adjustable positions for different sized heads. The foam padding on the headband isn't too thick, but it's enough to keep it comfortable on your head. I have a pretty sensitive head and I wore it for about 5.5 hours and it never made my head sore or anything. The ear cuffs are also very cushiony, and the only problem I have with them is that they do make my ears get a little warm. Here's what worries me about them. Whenever I stretch them out to put them on my head, I can hear a little clicking sound. And I'm just worried that if I do that too many times, they're gonna break. Not sure if I just got a defective pair or if that's how all of them are, but it's something to look out for. They fold up, which is nice if you want to put them into a bag or something. For my opinion, I would say that they're worth the price, which is around $50 to $60, but only if you don't already have a decent pair of headphones. They're really nice for music and very good in gaming, but they don't have a built-in mic, so you have to already have one of those or maybe buy one if you need it. If you really want audiophile headphones on a budget, these are a really solid option. There's my unboxing and overview of the CB-1 headset. If you enjoyed it, toss the video a like. Subscribe for more content coming soon. Thanks for watching.